The visit of China's homegrown passenger aircraft C919 and ARJ21 to the Hong Kong Special Administrative Region is of great significance and shows the country's support for Hong Kong's aviation sector, HKSAR Chief Executive John Lee said on Wednesday. The two aircraft arrived at the Hong Kong International Airport on Tuesday afternoon. For C919, China's first homegrown large jetliner that has secured over 1,000 orders, it was its maiden flight outside the Chinese mainland.
这起两部由国家自主研制的民用航机首次返港，充分体现国家对香港航空业发展和作为国际航空枢纽的重视。
The C919 plane is scheduled to perform a flight past over the scenic Victoria Harbour on Saturday, giving Hong Kong residents on the waterfront a glimpse of the new aircraft.